I'm Dan Berta from ShredderHotline.com or GlobalRecyclingEquipment.com, and this is the second video in a series that is going to talk about tire recycling systems. This series will talk about basically making a chip or a fuel chip or a 50mm chip or a 12mm chip or 25mm chip. Most of the time this is called TDF or tire derived fuel or aggregate derived fuel or ADF. Most of the chips that are made today in the shredding systems that are proper in their design will take a whole tire down to a 2-inch chip or 50mm chip, or further down to about the 1-inch or 25mm chip, or in some cases down to a 12mm chip. The common one is a 50mm chip. To do this, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or more machines to progressively grind down the tire. Ultimately, you must have a shredder that has a 2-inch wide cutter to produce a 2-inch chip. Generally, the system involves multiple shredders or a shredder with a recirculating system and screening system, because oversized product in the shredding system must be screened to produce the uniform chip. And when we say uniform chip, it's approximately 2 by 2, it could be approximately 1.5 by 2, it could be 1.5 by 1.5. But if you have a disc screen or trommel screen system or even a rock screen system, you can screen for a 2-inch chip. Everyone wants to try to save money. But unfortunately, sometimes this is not possible because everyone wants to start with OTR tires, truck tires, passenger tires, and the design of the chip system for that material varies. One shredder does not do it all. An example is that we have a 4-shredder system that does 5 to 10 tons an hour of 2-inch fuel chips that starts with our model 100-100 or our model 72-72 on a 6-inch cut, progressing into the second machine on a 3-inch cut, then a third machine on a 2-inch cut, and a fourth machine on a 2-inch cut with a recirculating disc screen package after the 4th shredder to produce a 2-inch chip with the oversized recirculating back into the 3rd and 4th shredders that are set on 2-inch cutters. This system runs about $1 million. There are, however, many people that want to try to do the same type of operation with a budget of $250,000. There are some sacrifices that will be made in doing this type of a design. 20 years ago, nobody could afford a proper system. Today, with our Asian manufacturing and even our Eastern European manufacturing operations, we can provide you with shredders that are designed to accommodate your needs and shredding systems that are designed to accommodate your needs. But what you still have to do is look at the cost and the equipment that's in a system so you can make good comparisons. There are plenty of people that will tell you that they make one shredder that does it all. In our opinion, that's bullshit. One shredder does not necessarily do it all in today's marketplace. The reason these companies are offering one shredder to do it all is because that's all they can afford to sell, because their equipment is predominantly made in America, Canada, or in Europe. We can afford to sell you the right system with the right equipment and the proper design to make a fuel chip, a TDF, an ADF, or an aggregate related chip. 2-inch, 1-inch, half-inch. We welcome the opportunity. Send us an email at sales@shredderhotline.com or give us a call. Thank you.